Today we're going to show you how to join a vertical seam using your crochet hook. We'll be using our chunky Aussie merino yarn to seam our pieces together. So the first step is to create a slip knot, and then we attach that to our hook. And now you're going to lie your working yarn underneath both panels. Once your pieces are lined up next to each other, it's time to insert your hook into the bottom of the first stitch on your right hand side. Inserting your hook into one of the loops, you're now going to insert your hook into the matching loop on the left hand panel. And now yarn over and pull your yarn through all 3 loops on your hook, including your slip knot. And that is your first slip stitch. So let's have a look at that one more time. Insert your hook into the loop of your stitch on your right hand panel, and now insert your hook into the matching stitch on the left hand side. Yarn over, pull it through all 3 loops on your hook. Now you can work through either the top loop or the back loop of your stitch. It doesn't matter too much, so long as you're getting a nice flat seam. And you'll continue with this method until you reach the end of the panels that you're working with.